Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable gift sound on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chats and Me. Tap on Go Live, then Go Live. Now, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you're gonna see options like Comments, 3-line menu, and Match. Go ahead and tap on 3-line menu, then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. Now navigate your way to Gift Settings, which is under the category Other Tools. Tap on it, then select Gift Sound and Vibration Effect Settings. Now, go ahead and enable the Disable All Gift Sound option from there. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable gift sounds on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.